Hi everyone, welcome to RK Treasure Center. Well, I finally did it. I've been recording with a GoPro Hero 3 Plus. It's a little bit outdated, and what you're looking through right now is a GoPro Hero 4. But I finally did it. I went and got the GoPro Hero 8. I'm so excited to get this up and running and to see what all it does and how well the quality of the videos are going to be. At least a little bit better. Probably what I'm really looking for is more of the stabilization, the hyper smooth 2.0. So that way when I'm walking and moving around, I'm not doing all the little jumping around. So I'm really excited that I got this. So I thought, well, I'm gonna open it up and see what it looks like. Alright, I'm so excited to get this opened up and get it unboxed and really check it out. So let's see if we can't break into this and figure out how to do it. I want to open it up carefully and try to save the box as much as I can. I did get the protection plan with it, so I want to make sure that if something happened to it, that I'll have everything to bring it back with. So let's see if we can figure out how to get this out. Oh, look at it. There we go. Woo boy. It's just like unwrapping a new Christmas gift. Matter of fact, it's probably my Christmas gift to myself. Alright, so set the box aside. Take this off of here. Oh, got a little pad. I like this. This little probably take those off. It's got the little display thing, so it's there you go. It's kind of like a little tripod that comes with it. All right, so let's see. Let's take this off. I probably should be reading instructions is what I should be doing before I really start it. That's what I'll do. All right, let me set that down. It's got the release clip. Somehow remove. Oh, I see. It's got like a little rubber holder there. That way you can get it off. Okay, there we go. Alright. It's like a little stopper. Okay, that's cool. And this says remove. Okay, removed. We removed it. I like that. Alright. I like that little rubber piece right there. That's different than the GoPro that I got, so that way it locks in, it won't slide out. That's pretty good. I like that. Alright, and the GoPro itself. There it is. I guess we can take that little piece of plastic film off. Maybe. There we go. Well, I almost had it. There we go. Take that film off. Yeah, isn't that pretty? Ooh, gotta get it cleaned up. Can't get my fingerprints on it right away while I'm looking at it. Alright, I like that. Good. It's got a good cover. The lens is far back. Waterproof and sealed. Dustproof, waterproof. I like this feature. This is what I was looking forward to also. That way I wouldn't have to put it in a case. I could just mount it. Alright. So I probably need to read the instructions. So let's see what's in the box here. GoPro box. Oh, I'm so excited. Alright, this one says a special bundle. It's coming with some stuff I can use but I don't need. There's a rounded clip probably for putting on a helmet or something like that. That's probably why it's rounded. Okay, let's see what else we got in here. This is the, I guess, like a head harness, and I don't wear a head harness, so that's what that is. That's a head harness, and I don't need it. Charging cable. Alrighty. little handle. Now I'll use that. I definitely will use that. Little tripod stand. Okay. Well, I've got one, but that's cute. That's good. I like that. I like that. Does it extend? Oh, look at that. Holy mackerel. I like that a lot. Okay. It comes with the 32 gigabyte SD card and an adapter, which I don't need to use, but I may need it, and some GoPro batteries. And what I heard was to have the Hyper Smooth 2.0 stabilization and some of the features on the GoPro. You're supposed to use these new GoPro batteries that are blue, with the blue, but they're the actual same size as the GoPro 5, 6, 7 batteries. And they say, I've already read some reviews and they say they've used the old ones and haven't noticed any different with the batteries, but definitely going to use these since it came with it. Anything else? Yep, here's my there it is. All right. GoPro Plus. Damage camera. Okay. Little cards. Tells me what to do. I've already unhooked it. Tells me how to hook the battery in. Put the SD card in. Any questions? A couple GoPro stickers. You always get with GoPros. That way you can stick it on your car, bicycle, helmet, the dog, cat, whatever. Whatever you want to, I guess. And then the instruction manual, and you have to find it in English part. There it is. Little tiny writing. You need little tiny people to read that. Okay. So anyway, so there's the GoPro. Whew! I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Oh, I'm so excited. All right, let me get this. Oh, sorry about that. Let me get this older camera put up. Da, da, da. Ooh, I'm so excited to get that. Now I can do I can get some good film. Like I said, I've been looking for that good quality, but nice being able to move around and not have to worry about it. Oh, that's going to be so nice. All right. Well, I get it all charged up, and what I'm looking forward to is I think tomorrow, if I could get it charged up. It's already getting late tonight. I went over to Best Buy and got it. I didn't order it online. I was going to order it online, didn't do it. Everybody was telling me about the long lines at Best Buy, and it's Black Friday. Today's Friday. It's Black Friday. And I thought, well, I'll just drive in and take a look. Well, I saw the parking lot was outrageously full. Tons of people going in and out of the store, but I wanted to see what price they had for the Black Friday. I saw the price in the paper, but I wanted to verify because they said they had the bundle, and they had, anyway. So I go into their GoPro. I go up to the display case where they got them. I saw they had 4 of them in there left. A lady happened to be walking by that worked there, and I said, "Excuse me, how much, or can I get that one right now?" And she said, "You want to get it right now?" I said, "I want to get it right now." So she grabbed a key, unlocked the case, pulled it out, walked me up to the register. There was a few people in line at the register. She got my name, said it at the register. I stood in line for like maybe 5 minutes, waiting for the other people in front of me. Walked up, told my name, said I'm getting a GoPro 8. They grabbed it, rang me up. I was in and out of there in under 20 minutes. Could not beat a Black Friday. I hate going shopping on Black Friday. Couldn't beat it. But anyway, I'm looking to go to a flea market tomorrow. I'm going to go with my wife and my father-in-law, and we're going to go do a little shopping around, I guess. So if I get this set up in time, I will film it with the new GoPro 8. If I don't, I'll be using one of these old GoPros. Either way, I just wanted to show you what I got, and I was happy to get it. And I'll throw in a little clip at the end of this video so you have something else besides just me going woo over to GoPro. All right, appreciate y'all. My name's Roy, And welcome to the channel. If you've never seen it before, I do a lot more than just this. But anyway, I want to thank everybody for watching. And if you're a reseller, remember, find it, sell it, and profit. Have a great day. Hey everyone. So I thought I'd stop to tell you what I did. I went to go pick up some more tubs from a store. I'm not going to tell you which one. You'll be able to figure out probably pretty quickly. But anyway, I went to the store, and I always go down to clearance items. Well, I picked up a few things. This is what I picked up. See, those are the tubs that I went to go pick up. Just some extra little tubs to store stuff in. And while I was there, they had a sale going on all their deer netting, bird netting, fish netting, that kind of stuff for koi ponds. And you know, I just couldn't help it. You know, original price $14.97, $3.50. That's for the deer netting, the bird netting, and so forth. Marked all the way down to $1. You know, you can't beat it. You can't beat it. I mean, look at all of them I got. And these things are selling for $14. These things are selling for $14, $16 on eBay. I even stopped and got some Jillian Michaels workout CDs. They had them they were marking them down. You could see a progressive stickers on all these things. Just ding, 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 ding. I don't know what the original price is. Then it went down to $8.96. Then it went down to $2.50. I guess that was the original price. Anyway, so I'm gonna lot these together. These things are selling for. They're not selling for a lot as an individual. They're selling for about $8 a piece, 8 to 10. But I'm gonna lot them together, so that way I can turn them into about a $15 sale. That was good. And then I picked up the Mad Gear. These are scooter stands. They're marked down 25 cents a piece. I think they only had 8 of them in there. So that was pretty good. You know, these little scooter stands are selling for about $8 a piece. They're selling. A lot of people are selling them in lots of 2 and 3, and they're selling out. Well, you know, $8 a piece on a 25-cent buy, you just can't beat it. Whenever you go to your stores, you can do some retail arbitrage. You can find stuff. If it may not be something, it may be seasonal, it may be something that doesn't sell right away or doesn't sell at that point in time, because, like I said, it's a seasonal or holiday item. But hey, if you pick it up at a low price and you got the storage room or the place to put it, hold on to it, and then when that season comes around or starts picking up, or that holiday starts coming around, go ahead and start listing it and get it out there, you know. And that's what I did. I picked this stuff up. Some of it's going to sell really quick. A lot of it will sell. Shoot, all of it should start selling pretty quick. So I was pretty happy about that. And I got my tubs.